Climate change, critical situations we face. Decarbonization is being advocated worldwide. Shifting to renewable energy has no time to wait. Solar, wind, geothermal. These are renewables, but we have the most stable to generate and the most stable to supply. That is biomass. Biomass power generation. Kanda Biomass Energy is located in Kanda Town, Fukuoka Prefecture. The fuel we use is based on pure biomass origin. The nation's largest, most advanced in its class, and highly efficient power station. Our commercial operation began in June 2021. 75 megawatt is the generation capacity. We supply sufficient electricity to 170,000 households annually. We supply as much as 10 times on total household requirement in the local Kanda town. Higashi Kyushu Expressway, Kanda Port, and Kita-Kyushu Airport. Kanda Town is a traffic hub for land, sea, and air. Kanda Town is one of the key coastal industrial areas of Japan. At Kanda Port, having necessary infrastructure, a big bulk carrier can arrive and discharge biomass fuels, one of the ideal places for a large-scaled biomass power project. Biomass power stations can keep running 24 hours under any weather conditions, day and night, seamlessly. This is the advantage of biomass. It's not like other renewables. Photosynthesis on plants and trees absorbs CO2 from the atmosphere and stores it within their bodies. Biomass, when burnt, emits CO2 but won't increase total CO2 into the atmosphere. Biomass is called carbon neutral. Kanda Biomass Energy uses 3 kinds of biomass: wood pellets, PKS, and wood chips. Wood pellets are imported. They are made of sawdust and shavings from sawmills and thinning trees from forests, crushed and compressed. Wood pellets have a high energy density and are effective for the long haul. Kanda Biomass Energy has 3 fuel tanks to receive and store the wood pellets. PKS is also imported. It is a byproduct of palm oil. In the past, there was no usage for PKS and was disposed of as waste. Today, it is used as biomass fuel. Easy to handle and containing sufficient calorific value, wood chips supplied from northern Kyushu, which are left over from thinning trees in the forest, are collected and chipped. The local biomass, creating a new business, brings new employment. In this way, Kanda Biomass Energy is contributing to revitalizing the local economy.
In order to supply Kanda Biomass with wood chips, we, Nihon Forest Company, are collecting timber to manufacture 30,000 tons of wood chips annually. We supply those volume to Kanda Biomass Power stably and constantly. The raw material of the wood chips is from forest resources which have been left over in the forest with no usage in the past. That way, those unused timber can be utilized. It revitalizes local forest industry as well as contribute to the local job creation. Eventually, I believe that it will contribute to stable electricity supply as well as to a local economy revitalization.
We need to reduce CO2 emissions worldwide. Forest recycling is important, a cycle of harvesting, reforestation, and forest growing. When harvested, all parts of the tree should be completely utilized. By utilizing local forest products for various purposes, surely we contribute to the circulation of forest resources. Biomass fuel is stored in specialized tanks or warehouses, depending on the type of fuel: wood chips, PKS, and wood pellets. They are supplied in CFB boilers for burning. On the boiler wall inside, there are many water pipes. The water inside the pipe is warmed up by the heat of burnt fuel. It becomes superheated steam and rotates the turbine to generate power. Kanda Biomass Energy has a system of using steam twice. Once used for rotating turbines, the temperature of the superheated steam goes down. Then, this cooled steam goes back to the boiler and becomes superheated steam ready for generating power again. In this way, we can achieve high efficiency in power generation. The electricity from Kanda Biomass Energy will be delivered to the manufacturing factories or distributed to each household through the power grid.
I am honored to see this biomass power plant contribute not only to the Kanda local community, but to the whole Kyushu district. The biomass power plant is environmentally friendly. It encourages new industries. It creates new employment.
Blessed by the gifts of nature, Kanda Biomass Energy will become one of the most admired industries in the area, contributing to local society. Looking for a future prosperous life, Kanda Biomass Energy is the answer to what we can do right now. Living together with nature, living together with a local community, we continue to supply electricity to turn on the light for a sustainable future. Kanda Biomass Energy will stay there as such a power station in the region and the lighthouse in the local community.